guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah, get ready because this video is definitely going to be interesting one. That's for sure. That's for sure. So guess what? Someone actually posted sorry. Someone actually posted an Insta story just few hours ago. And who is that someone and what's so special about it? Let me show you. But let me give you guys a hint. Yeah, it is super duper related to Fayoko. Yeah, now let me show you guys the picture. All right, then we are going to talk about it briefly. You guys know the drill. Here you go. Yeah. Hmm. All right. Yes. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say it was unexpected because, see, we have been getting these sorts of signals, these sorts of hints from Fayoko or from their closest one. You guys know it. It is happening, right? And let me remind you guys another thing. This happened literally just few days ago. Here it is. Yes. Yeah. The way that Fayoko is giving us signals, the way they are closest one giving us signals, it's actually speaking volumes. You guys know what is going on and what is not. Yeah, and a lots of people are saying that they are not gonna believe in Fayoko anymore. Fayoko just broke up. They basically are not in relationship with each other anymore. I mean, it's up to you what you guys want to believe, but the way that Faye is literally screaming, that woman is literally screaming for her own girlie, and everything she is doing, she is sending us loads of signals, she is sending us loads of hints. Is still you are doubting on Fayoko? No. And another thing I want to add here is you guys already saw people are the closest of Faye and Yoko. They are also hinting something. So as I said, this is speaking volumes, no matter what do you say. And you guys cannot convince me otherwise. I mean, just forget about everything. Just think about Faye. The way she is including Yoko in every freaking thing that she is been doing in her work or no matter what she is doing, as I said, she is kind of including Yoko in every freaking thing. Then how come you can have doubt on Fayoko? Fayoko is real, baby. At least I think so. Now, if you want to call me delusional, I'd be happy to call like that. Yeah, because I literally have faith in Fayoko. I literally have loads of faith in Faye and Yoko as well. I know nowadays we are actually getting much and much stuff from Faye on Faye's sides, right? From Faye's sides, she's giving us loads of hints, loads of signals, loads of indirects, loads of hints, and we are talking about it. I mean, come on, think about it. In her recent fan meet, in her TikTok live, I mean, every song she is singing, every freaking thing, and Fable Entertainment, I mean, every freaking thing. The way she is including Yoko in every freaking thing is super duper cute and adorable. Now, if you're gonna ask me about Yoko, if you're gonna ask me what's about Yoko, then first of all, I don't know if you guys notice it or not. I mean, it is super noticeable, right? Yoko was super duper active on social media, Twitter specifically. Yeah, I would say that Yoko was super duper active in Twitter. But nowadays, we are not even getting a single post from Yoko on the Twitter at all. Not a single post. Think about it. And you guys know whose fault is this? Yeah, our behated Nansta. Not beloved, Of course not. Or beheaded Ninesta. They are literally controlling every aspects of Yoko's life. They are literally controlling Yoko's social media. As I said, it is super visible. It's not some sorts of rocket science. Anyone can see that. Anyone can could tell it right away. And as I said, as from Yoko's side, it's kind of been silent. Yeah, that's the truth. That's the truth. And as I said, I'm blaming everything on Nine Star because this is super visible. And on the other hand, Faye, oh my. Sorry. You guys know our Faye. She is super duper obsessed with her girlie. She is super duper obsessed with wifey. You guys know everything that Faye is doing. She has been pretty loud throughout the whole time, no matter what you say. She has been pretty loud about it. You guys know. She is literally saying everything directly, but somehow indirectly. You guys know it. So, as I said, I literally believe in Fayoko. Not a single moment I had any doubt in Fayoko. No. Because you know what? It's actually another fact here. Remember, lots of people used to call us delusional. That Fayoko shippers are way too delusional and all of that. But as soon as Yoko confessed on the press conference that yes, they had something going on between them and every other stuff, it actually made me think that how much our fandoms, could tell everything right away. Our fandom was right from the very beginning. So you guys know our fandom is right now as well. That's it. Yeah, there I said it. Fire Yoko is real. Fire Yoko is still real. If you want to ship Fire Yoko, then you are welcome on the ship, baby. If you don't want to ship Fire Yoko, if you want to leave Fire Yoko ship, then you are welcome again. I mean, as I said, the whole fandom is still on Fire Yoko's side. We are not leaving. We are not leaving till we are winning. Yeah. I mean, all of these things should be a pretty clear proof that basically we are getting loads of proofs from Fire's side actually basically majority of them, then we are kind of getting loads of stuff from their closest one as well. So yeah, that's why I don't have any doubt in Fire. I choose to believe in them. That's it. Now I want to know your opinion about it. What's your thoughts on this, guys? Did I say something wrong? If you think that I have said something wrong, feel free to correct me. I would like to be corrected. I want to keep this place, I already said it, I want to keep this channel a safe place for shippers out there. Every other ship, I'm a multi-stanner, guys. I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but yeah, I'm a multi-stanner girl. Yeah, I'm that fan girl. Inglot, friend Becky, Limsey, Fayoko, whatever you said. Amy Bonnie, Milk Love, every freaking thing. Yeah, yeah. Anyway. So as I am saying, this is a safe place for everyone. You guys can correct me if I said something wrong according to you. I would like to be corrected. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Alright. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Alright. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon, with new update, with new news, of course. Till then, take care and keep smiling. And of course, keep an eye on the channel for regular update. Yeah. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.